One.
So today's MCQ is: an intrauterine pregnancy of approximately 10-week gestation is confirmed in a 28-year-old para-1 woman with an IUCD in place. The patient expresses a strong desire for the pregnancy to be continued. On examination, the string of IUCD is protruding from the cervical os. The most appropriate course of action is: A. Leave the IUCD in place without any other treatment. Remove the IUCD to decrease the risk of malformation. Remove the IUCD to decrease the risk of infection. Terminate the pregnancy because of the high risk of malformation.
So now in this case the woman is with having 10-week pregnancy with copper T, and there is strong desire to continue the pregnancy. So now we have to choose the option C. In option B and D, they are saying the risk of malformation. Remember one thing, there is no any associated risk of congenital malformation with IUCD. So ये दोनों options तो out हो गए. Remaining is leave the IUCD in place without any treatment or remove the IUCD. Now here the strings are visible, so there are chances of infection also in this case. So definitely here the option C is correct, that remove the IUCD to decrease the risk of infection, because always there are chances of chorioamnionitis and related complications are always there. So option C is correct.
Ma'am, why cannot we leave the IUCD without any other treatment?
Now in this case Purva, the catch point is strings. You know, the strings are visible. अगर string visible नहीं होते तो हम उसको सारी risk explain करके IUCD के साथ preterm की भी risk होती है, तो वो हम उसको abortions की भी कई बार risk होती है, वो सब उसे explain करके we can continue the pregnancy. Because if we leave the if we want to do the instrumentation, then again it will lead to pregnancy loss, and here the woman want to continue the pregnancy. That's why option C is correct.
So exam trick for this question is visible strings, so remove the IUCD in pregnancy. Thank you.
Thank you.